Hi guys, and this is Grace again and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Grace and Pete Vlog. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you all how to make cassava cake roll. So we called it here in the Philippines, budbud kamuting kahoy. It's in Bisaya. So in Tagalog, it's a suman, cassava suman.
And in English, I don't know.
In English, it's cassava cake roll.
Well, for a hillbilly, I don't know.
You don't know? Why you don't know?
I don't.
Say it suman.
Schumann.
Suman.
Schumann.
Yeah, suman.
Schumann.
Human. It's not human. Suman.
Human.
Suman is like a sticky rice.
Oh, okay.
But this one, it's made of cassava. And I'm gonna show you all how we cook. How we cook it. And it's really a long time process of doing that. So I'm here at the terrace right now, and Virgil, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Slow down of playing your phone because of your eye. You need to protect your eye. So I'm gonna show you guys what my friend Bastion doing outside. Supposedly she tried to peel the cassava plant. So let's check guys what they do outside. I'm gonna go to the side here. So later we gonna have also some buko juice. We put some coconut milk on it. Nyara, oh. We're gonna put some coconut milk on it and it be delicious. And I'm gonna do some video also of how we get the coconut at the top of the coconut tree, how we gonna get the buko. So one of my relative, he gonna climb in the coconut tree and he gonna get some buko there at the top. So I'm gonna show you later guys how they climb in the coconut tree. So let's walk to this side here. Sunshine, another solar day for us. So my mama and my friend Bastion is at the back of our house. They are peeling the coconut plant. So look at that guys. So we gonna peel this cassava plant here. It's like a potato. Look at that. And so my mama is peeling. And kaya ko atong managpanit na. This one is already peeled. No skin now. So we gonna sa pangananday ka ng idniro. I don't know what you call that. We need to use something that it can smash on this one. Need to grinder. Grinder. Dili siya grinder. Kalimot ko. So I'm gonna show you later guys. We gonna cook this cassava cake roll and wrap it in the banana leaf. So it's mainly there. Oh, sorry. Hey, look, it's mainly here. Look at that guys, mainly. Bile, pasakon daw ka sa lubi. Usa na mga subscriber ba niya na siya nga pasakon ta kog lubi. Butong bako tag butong. Yeah, he's the one who climbed the coconut tree later, guys. So, I'm gonna show you all. So, this coconut tree here, as you can see, it's very short. So, I can get this buko because this is only short tree. So, I'm gonna do some video when he climbed in the coconut tree, the tallest one. So this one, look at that. It's a dwarf coconut tree here. So I can pick it. I can pick this one because it's very small tree. And the other one over here at the back, it's a very tall coconut tree there. So guys, we're gonna have more fun today of cooking that cassava cake roll. So stay tuned for now. Hi guys, so we have this cassava plant, then we're gonna use this big shredder because we need to have this in small pieces. We're gonna do it manually. This is how we make our cassava cake roll. And we're gonna shred this cassava plant first before we wrap it in the banana leaf. Then we also mix some coconut on it, some shredded coconut, and also some sugar before we wrap it in the banana leaf. So it's a long process, guys, of making this cassava cake roll, and when it's finished, it's really worth it because it's very delicious. Most of the people here in the province, they have this kind of plant. They planted this because this is very useful, and you can also sell this one to the market. So we're gonna finish this all here. Nakita, this one. It's so many, guys. So we just have this only one shredded to use. Okay, stop sa palihog na. We're not done yet, guys. We're still shredded cassava.
Init, bago ka na ligo. No. Bago na nagtanong nito. Nagdag buwaw.
It's tiring.
Umay hangin eh.
Ako?
Ay, magkilabay dahil.
Aha.
Kung tagutuon.
Come on.
Nagagmay na.
Hindi, ihatag din mo ang manok. Bisaya.
Samahan, Bisaya.
Naman ito ihawon.
Ang dua kalaki.
Tapi ako nung gitaguan. Lalo ito ato.
Ma! It be long time we can eat the cassava cake roll because it's still many here, guys. Still have more here in the container. We need to shred it, this one manually. Istorya sa diya, kaya ano ba ito siya? Ito mo, tanawit ito siya. Ito istorya na. Highway. Highly. Dominga is here.
Prank to din sila. Ang wala nagsibo.
Ha?
Sila, ihatag mo pe.
Ulit, tamo.
Oh, yun yung gabi. Amin yung watch ko. Ano ba siya? Hatog mo sa pagkala ni Kito. Magkaumingan. Prank ka, oy.
So my mama is take out the milk on the drain the milk of the cassava.
Ang ato mo sa dibite, dalo niya nagpapa mo.
Lang. Kay klaro kay mga gasolina. She drain.
Bubugan na yan ah. Tubig.
Mama. So my mama is draining the milk of the cassava, guys. As you can see, we need to drain it. Supposedly no milk. It's supposed to be dry, very very dry, before you wrap this one in the banana leaf, because if it's not dry it won't work. It will spoil so quick. So let's see here, guys, because my friend Ramil, we're gonna get some buko. He gonna climb there, the coconut tree. Look at, guys, how he climbed in that coconut tree. So expert of climbing in the coconut tree. Looks like a monkey. Look at that. There's a lot of buko there at the top. So that's how he climbed in the coconut tree. He's at the top right now. As you can see, there's something here that you can step going there at the top. So ako ang gikuan ba bidyuhan ang ka. So he's there at the top right now. So we have one coconut tree inside in our chicken coop. So our chickens here. Hi. So we've been changing their feeds, and as you can see, there's a lot here in the ground because they don't have appetite to that kind of feeds. So we're gonna change to the regular feeds maybe next week because they don't have an appetite to these new feeds that we bought. And there's a lot of buko there at the top. Many buko there at the top. Walay para ko anon dong kanang lamawon. Kay maglamawon ta ba na may condensed milk.
Oh. Kana? Umon man na, di ba? O kana mi kabdon. Kabdon din eh? Oh. Kana?
So that buko there, we put it in the cassava shredded coconut. We put it in the cassava cake roll, so it's maybe more delicious together with the sugar. So he get many on that one. Bili palihog niya ko kuan ani di man gud maabli dai kun sipit bayang panaan. Kaning yuta gani di maabli diri ba sa pulit pen o kini na ang yuta ba ni kuan ang god.
Makuan mo rin gud dai na puta rin ko dai da. Uwan dai ato dito. Mo tuyo ay basi dari dai.
Kulang sa ingnon.
Oo na ato dai.
Pila na kabuok.
Kadakan na hindi ay.
Dagan kaayo.
Saka naman
Pila na kabuok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5. Daghan tong bodboron tinire.
Dili kayo. Kana lang last. His export of climbing. Look at that guys. Oh. Hinahinay lang kay video ha. Oh.
Na. Kung itlog kita. Wala din na kita.
His export of doing climbing in the coconut tree. Look at that guys. Wow, so easy for him to climb. I can't do that. Lamat dong ha. So let's go back there outside. See you guys later. See you. The chickens. So we got lucky that we have some coconut tree that we can use, especially when making that cassava cake roll. No need to buy some coconut. So we put some shredded coconut in the cassava cake roll together with the sugar. Lamat lang ha. So my sister and my mama is over here.
Dito babaw na to, wala ta kakuha sa babaw na.
Wala mo ikuan dito butong day. Ayan, para lamawon.
Daghang butong.
Sa ubos, diba dito
Wala na
mo
butong.
ipanlit na may
Dili na
daghan.
butong. Dagan baga kay uno to pa ato.
Kuwangan pa na day.
Kuangan pa na.
So we have the buko here.
ba gagmay?
Oy, ate. Diyan na lang mga lan niya makuha lang magbudol ba?
Asa man?
Ano?
Asan ta mga kinsa mga budbud naman ay kanon.
Kana gani.
Dare,
Ikuha niyo ng dahon.
napay mangga kanon.
Dodo bisita.
Sipot.
Sir, bisitang lula. So guys, we cook the cassava cake roll now. So you can see there, there's a big pot. That's Jimmer there. Dira na siya kung ang hilaw ng ukban. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's wrapped with banana leaf, as you can see. So I'm not able to do some video when they wrap it because I was there at the house. I've been busy cooking. And maybe it takes about 1 hour to cook. So they also put some shredded coconut and some sugar on it so that it's more, so that it be more sweeter. So it's nice here because this is not really hot here. We are under the tree. We are under in the mango tree. My grandma. This is my grandma's mango tree here. So we're cooking here at the bottom. So that's my grandma's house there. The sky is so bright, guys. Ako rin bantay diri day ah. Look at that. So bright. So clear. We also use that 2 air cons in the 2 bedrooms. So solar is really good because right now it's very hot and we can use the 2 air cons in the 2 rooms. So it's a good thing. Because this morning I thought that it will be rain because the clouds are so dark. So I'm shocked that it's sunshine, guys. So hot now. So the Bastion will gonna chop the spinach for the chickens. And we're gonna sila mahilo ani day. We're gonna put some cassava plant. This is the leftover from the cassava cake roll. This only small pieces left here. So we're gonna chop it and we're gonna feed it to the chicken. And this is the coconut that we got there in our coop. So we're gonna shred this one and mix it with the spinach there. The chicken loves the spinach. Still cooking, guys. Okay, naray kahoy dahil.
Mama ni mo hapot aka.
So we've been cooking also some beef stew. Paigo rang lubi no. So I'm gonna show you guys when it cook. And I know it will be delicious because we put a lot of shredded coconut on it. I love coconut. And also my husband loves coconut, especially it's a little bit like this, a little bit harder. He don't like the soft one. He like this kind of coconut here. Maana ni siya dahil. Kulit. Ngayon ko gamay palihog dahil. Kira na ay kaya di pa na makahilo.
Ano, ang taning kung kahoy makahilo ka ng hilaw-hilaw bitaw.
Makahilo ang kamuting kahoy.
Basta hilaw.
Unyang manok.
Kani kuan man sa siya. Sa una ro man isabol jud manok.
Nakasuway mo ana. Oh. Pareha ra man ang manok ug ta.
Hilawan mo ni.
I will get this one. Saman. Kani?
Atong nagtimpla sa ang kuan babod.
Ana ra dai gamay ra dai. I will eat this one.
Ayan.
Kanira. Thank you. So good. Crunchy. So crunchy. And sweet. So this is the finished product of the cassava cake roll, guys. So can you do some video to me, please? Because I'm gonna open it, please. I'm gonna try to open.
Really?
So this is the banana leaf. We roll it in the banana leaf and it's open inside. Look at this. It looks good. Want to try? Small?
Is it sugar?
Small. Just a
If it's sweet,
small bite. Good. It's a little bit chewy, but it's normal for the cassava cake roll. Good. Delicious.
not trying to get my sugar level down.
We have many here. ₱5. So thank you so much again, guys, for watching my videos. I really do appreciate all the love and support and for all the nice comments. Until my next video, thank you so much, guys.